Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be playing some more Roblox Assassin. So, since you haven't seen me play this game before, I'll show you what I've got. I have got money, I've got emerald glow, all this basic. I've got quite a couple of wins, I think it's 12-ish wins. And we have special guests today. We're joined by my cousins, Dolly and Vinny. So, if you'd like to say hi, Dolly. What's up? They're not. Sorry, I'm back. She's not allowed to say that word in this video. FB. She means phosphorus. Yeah, that's what. It's not likely to be. I'm sorry about that round, guys. That was just an error round and stuff. I was just, yeah, doing a trick. So, how many coins do I have? 233 marks. Buy a standard case, or I might save because I want to get this one really badly. So I'm gonna save up for 500. K6 doesn't have good stuff. Look, it's too weird. So I don't like it. That's really weird. My cousin just said that I don't always have to talk in videos, you know. What if it was a montage? Who is it? There's guests. There's guests. Not leaving me alone. She's annoying. Get here! Get here! There's my guy. Alright, this is my guy. Right here. Let's go. I shouldn't have just stayed still, guys. That's kind of sad. I love So I might do another one on Fortnite if it ever loads up, because it's taking. However, what's this? 2 comments. Not worth here, I think. Oh my! Wait, am I the infected? No. Oh, he's infected. Got killed as a dude, bruh. I need to find an infected person right now. Oh my god, where is the infected? There he is. There's another infected down there. Ah, fudge. Ga ha ha. Ra ra ha ha. Ma ra ra pa pa. Oh man, that guy was just right behind me. Oh, I need to get up. Oh my! He was just right hanging. He was hanging right in my face. Ah, fudge! So close. I was the last person alive. I died. Over here. I'm going to do a part 2 later, but I'm going to make a video right now after this. So if you want to watch that, you can. It's going to be a try not to laugh challenge, but with my cousins.